This is a grammatical sentence formation course being taught by M. Kadirvedi Chennai. Dear friends, are you ready? Have you taken your note? Please keep it ready to start writing. Today, we are going to see continuation of past perfect continuous tense 4. You just write heading continuation of past perfect continuous tense 4. Continuation of past perfect continuous tense 4. You see here, the past perfect continuous tense is used for an action that had been going on at or before some point of time in the past. Otherwise, past perfect continuous tense is nothing but பாஸ்ட்லே ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி பாஸ்ட்லே நடந்து பாஸ்ட்லே போய்கிட்டது இன்னொரு ஆக்ஷனுக்கு முன்னாடி. இஸ் இட் கிளியர்? ஷல் வி ஸ்டார்ட்? ஓகே. Had your brother been earning rupees 50,000 in Wipro before he joined TCS in June 2020? Had your brother been earning rupees 50,000 in Wipro before he joined TCS in June 2020? June 2020ல உன்னுடைய பிரதர் டிசிஎஸ்ல ஜாயின் பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி அவர் விப்ரோல rupees 15,000 ஏர்ன் பண்ணி கொண்டிருந்தாரா? Had your brother been earning rupees 50,000 in Wipro before he joined TCS in June 2020? Yes, he had been earning rupees 50,000 in Wipro before he joined TCS in June 2020. Yes, he had been earning rupees 50,000 in Wipro before he joined TCS in June 2020. Yes, June 2020ல அவர் டிசிஎஸ்ல ஜாயின் பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி அவர் விப்ரோல rupees 50,000 earn பண்ணி கொண்டிருந்தார். Yes, he had been earning rupees 50,000 in Wipro before he joined TCS in June 2020. Shall I repeat them? Okay. Had your brother been earning rupees 50,000 in Wipro before he joined TCS in June 2020? Yes, he had been earning rupees 50,000 in Wipro before he joined TCS in June 2020. Next. Had the peon been closing all the windows before it started raining last evening? Had the peon, P-U-O-N, had the peon been closing all the windows before it started raining last evening? Last evening, மழை ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி பியூன் எல்லா விண்டோஸையும் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணி கொண்டிருந்தாரா? Had the peon been closing all the windows before it started raining last evening? Yes, he had been closing all the windows before it started raining last evening. Shall I repeat them? Okay. Had the peon been closing all the windows before it started raining last evening? Yes, he had been closing all the windows before it started raining last evening. Next. What had your friend Kumar been doing before you went to his house yesterday afternoon? What had your friend Kumar been doing before you went to his house yesterday afternoon? Yesterday afternoon, நீ அவருடைய வீட்டுக்கு போறதுக்கு முன்னாடி உன்னுடைய ஃப்ரெண்ட் குமார் என்ன பண்ணி கொண்டிருந்தார்? What had your friend Kumar been doing before you went to his house yesterday afternoon? He had been watching a movie on TV before I went to his house yesterday afternoon. He had been watching a movie on TV before I went to his house yesterday afternoon. Yesterday afternoon, நான் அவருடைய வீட்டுக்கு போறதுக்கு முன்னாடி அவர் டிவியில ஒரு மூவி பார்த்து கொண்டிருந்தார். He had been watching a movie on TV before I went to his house yesterday afternoon. What movie had he been watching on TV before you went to his house yesterday afternoon? What movie had he been watching on TV before you went to his house yesterday afternoon? நேற்று ஆஃப்டர்நூன் அவருடைய வீட்டுக்கு நீ போறதுக்கு முன்னாடி என்ன மூவி அவர் டிவியில பார்த்து கொண்டிருந்தார்? What movie had he been watching on TV before you went to his house yesterday afternoon? He had been watching the movie Master. He had been watching the movie Master on TV before I went to his house yesterday afternoon. He had been watching the movie Master on TV before I went to his house yesterday afternoon. நேற்று ஆஃப்டர்நூன் அவருடைய வீட்டுக்கு நான் போவதற்கு முன்னாடி அவர் டிவியில த மூவி மாஸ்டரை பார்த்து கொண்டிருந்தார். He had been watching the movie Master on TV before I went to his house yesterday afternoon. Next. அதேதான். ஓகே, அடுத்த இது. How long had he been watching the movie Master on TV before you went to his house yesterday afternoon? How long had he been watching the movie Master on TV before you went to his house yesterday afternoon? நீங்க நேற்று ஆஃப்டர்நூன் அவருடைய வீட்டுக்கு போவதற்கு முன்னாடி அவர் எவ்வளவு நேரமாக டிவியில த மூவி மாஸ்டரை பார்த்து கொண்டிருந்தார்? How long had he been watching the movie Master on TV before you went to his house yesterday afternoon? He had been watching the movie Master on TV for 2 hours before I went to his house yesterday afternoon. He had been watching the movie Master on TV for 2 hours before I went to his house yesterday afternoon. நேற்று ஆஃப்டர்நூன் நான் அவருடைய வீட்டுக்கு போவதற்கு முன்னாடி அவர் டிவியில த மூவி மாஸ்டரை 2 மணி நேரமா பார்த்து கொண்டிருந்தார். He had been watching the movie Master on TV for 2 hours before I went to his house yesterday afternoon. Shall I repeat them? Okay. What had your friend Kumar been doing before you went to his house yesterday afternoon? He had been watching a movie on TV before I went to his house yesterday afternoon. What movie had he been watching on TV before you went to his house yesterday afternoon? He had been watching the movie Master on TV before I went to his house yesterday afternoon. How long had he been watching the movie Master on TV before you went to his house yesterday afternoon? He had been watching the movie Master on TV for 2 hours before I went to his house yesterday afternoon. Next. Where had your friend Ravi been waiting for you before he came here? Where had your friend Ravi been waiting for you before he came here? அவர் இங்க வருவதற்கு முன்னாடி எங்கே அவர் உங்களுக்காக, அதாவது உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட் ரவி உங்களுக்காக வெயிட் பண்ணி கொண்டிருந்தார்? Where had your friend Ravi been waiting for you before he came here? Please once again, you please listen to me how I am taking translation for this one. Before he came here, அவர் இங்க வருவதற்கு முன்னாடி எங்கே உங்களுக்காக உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட் ரவி வெயிட் பண்ணி கொண்டிருந்தார்? He had been waiting for me at the Velachi railway station before he came here. He had been waiting for me at the Velachi railway station before he came here. அவர் இங்க வருவதற்கு முன்னாடி வெளச்சி ரயில்வே ஸ்டேஷன்ல அவர் எனக்காக வெயிட் பண்ணி கொண்டிருந்தார். He had been waiting for me at the Velachi railway station before he came here. How long had he been waiting for you at the Velachi railway station before he came here? How long had he been waiting for you at the Velachi railway station before he came here? அவர் இங்க வருவதற்கு முன்னாடி வெளச்சி ரயில்வே ஸ்டேஷன்ல எவ்வளவு நேரமா அவர் உங்களுக்காக வெயிட் பண்ணி கொண்டிருந்தார்? How long had he been waiting for you at the Velachi railway station before he came here? He had been waiting for me at the Velachi railway station for 1 hour before he came here. He had been waiting for me at the Velichi railway station for 1 hour before he came here. அவர் இங்கே வருவதற்கு முன்னாடி அவர் வேளச்சேரி ரயில்வே ஸ்டேஷன்ல எனக்காக 1 hour வெயிட் பண்ணி கொண்டு இருந்தார். He had been waiting for me at the Velichi railway station for 1 hour before he came here. Shall I repeat them? Okay. Where had your friend Ravi been waiting for you before he came here? He had been waiting for me at the Velichi railway station before he came here. How long had he been waiting for you at the Velichi railway station before he came here? How long had he been waiting for you at the Velichi railway station before he came here? He had been waiting for me at the Velichi railway station for 1 hour before he came here. Next. Had the chief doctor been examining all the patients at ward number 5 before he went to attend a meeting at the conference hall yesterday afternoon? Had the chief doctor been examining all the patients at ward number 5 before he went to attend a meeting at the conference hall yesterday afternoon? நேற்று ஆஃப்டர்நூன் கான்ஃபரன்ஸ் ஹாலில் ஒரு மீட்டிங் அட்டன் பண்ண அவர் போவதற்கு முன்னாடி வார்டு நம்பர் 5ல சீஃப் டாக்டர் எல்லா பேஷண்ட்ஸையும் எக்ஸாமின் பண்ணி கொண்டிருந்தாரா? Had the chief doctor been examining all the patients at ward number 5 before he went to attend a meeting at the conference hall yesterday afternoon? Yes, he had been examining all the patients at ward number 5 before he went to attend a meeting at the conference hall yesterday afternoon. Yes, he had been examining all the patients at ward number 5 before he went to attend a meeting at the conference hall yesterday afternoon. Yes, நேற்று ஆஃப்டர்நூன் கான்ஃபரன்ஸ் ஹாலில் அவர் ஒரு மீட்டிங் அட்டன் பண்ண போவதற்கு முன்னாடி வார்டு நம்பர் 5ல அவர் எல்லா பேஷண்ட்ஸையும் எக்ஸாமின் பண்ணி கொண்டிருந்தார். Yes, he had been examining all the patients at ward number 5 before he went to attend a meeting at the conference hall yesterday afternoon. How long had he been examining all the patients at ward number 5 before he went to attend a meeting at the conference hall yesterday afternoon? How long had he been examining all the patients at ward number 5 before he went to attend a meeting at the conference hall yesterday afternoon? நேற்று ஆஃப்டர்நூன் கான்ஃபரன்ஸ் ஹாலில் அவர் ஒரு மீட்டிங் அட்டன் பண்ண போவதற்கு முன்னாடி வார்டு நம்பர் 5ல எவ்வளோ நேரமா அவர் எல்லா பேஷண்ட்ஸையும் எக்ஸாமின் பண்ணி கொண்டிருந்தார். How long had he been examining all the patients at ward number 5 before he went to attend a meeting at the conference hall yesterday afternoon? He had been examining all the patients at ward number 5 for 2 hours before he went to attend a meeting at the conference hall yesterday afternoon. He had been examining all the patients at ward number 5 for 2 hours before he went to attend a meeting at the conference hall yesterday afternoon. நேற்று ஆஃப்டர்நூன் கான்ஃபரன்ஸ் ஹாலில் அவர் ஒரு மீட்டிங் அட்டன் பண்ண போவதற்கு முன்னாடி அவர் வார்டு நம்பர் 5ல எல்லா பேஷண்ட்ஸையும் 2 ஹவர்ஸா எக்ஸாமின் பண்ணி கொண்டிருந்தார். He had been examining all the patients at ward number 5 for 2 hours before he went to attend a meeting at the conference hall yesterday afternoon. Shall I repeat them? Okay. Had the chief doctor been examining all the patients at ward number 5 before he went to attend a meeting at the conference hall yesterday afternoon. Yes, he had been examining all the patients at ward number 5 before he went to attend a meeting at the conference hall yesterday afternoon. How long had he been examining all the patients at ward number 5 before he went to attend a meeting at the conference hall yesterday afternoon? He had been examining all the patients at ward number 5 for 2 hours before he went to attend a meeting at the conference hall yesterday afternoon. Is it clear? Have you written correctly? Okay. Let me finish up to this level. Thank you very much for having attended this class continuously. If you like this course, if you are interested in attending this class, if it creates any positive vibration in your mind, please share with your friends and others. It will definitely, certainly, surely make my dreams realized. I will meet you this time tomorrow. Until then, goodbye. M. Kadirvedu. Thank you.